Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your DNS cache in Google Chrome. So once you're in Google Chrome, all you have to do is just simple type the following: Chrome colon / net dash internals slash hashtag DNS. You can go ahead and pause the video so that you can see what I write. But once you type that in, just simply go ahead and hit enter, and it's going to open up the section where you can find the DNS lookup, and it says host resolver cache. Just simply go ahead and click on clear host cache, and that's all that you have to do. So once you go ahead and click the clear cache, the next thing I recommend for you to do is to click the tree that's on the upper right hand side in your Google Chrome, go down to where it says help, and you want to go ahead and do about Google Chrome. What that is going to do for you is going to allow your Google Chrome to do a quick check for updates, and if there's a new updates available, it's going to go ahead and update it for you. And all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click and relaunch. Once you relaunch Google Chrome, that's all that you really have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.